Hello everyone. This is Sue. Welcome to my channel. I will do my best to do this video as relevant as possible for the topic that you came to see. I want to give you a little bit about me so that you can understand the context of what I'm doing this and why I am doing this. I'm 32 years old. I am a mom and I also work technically from home. However, I do have to perform certain activities outside of my home. Like I do have to travel. Sometimes I'm going to be out between 3 to 7 days. And I have been out at the most about 1 month outside of my home because of different things that I had to do within the company that I'm working for, which means that I had to go ahead and look for a way to continue my education that I had to postpone at the local university. I live in Central America because it was all, in person. You need to be there all the time, and I do not have a set schedule. And when I was missing some classes, then the teachers will get a little bit angry. They won't let you take the test. They will not believe that you're working in groups, which I was doing, and that led to me losing a full semester of classes. Here classes are divided in the university between the first and the second semester, so I lost my second semester basically. And after a long search, months and months and months, I found the QC Career School. Now, one of the reasons that I'm doing this video in English and not in Spanish is because the course, this certification, is completely in English. And this school is operating in Canada, United States, UK, and Australia. Of course, all English-speaking places. Therefore, the whole material, everything is in English. And being said this, I've already tried with an online university in my country to look for a bachelor degree unsuccessfully. It didn't really spark me joy. Professors, when you ask a question, they will not get back to you, and that left me very, very, very disappointed on the quality of the classes and the content, of course, of the topics that we were dealing with at the time. And I took the risk, and I say the risk because, of course, it's always an investment in your education when you have to do something online, because there is a price for it, right? So I was lucky enough, I would say, that this is really a promotion that they have constantly on their website, which is when you pay for one certification, you can get a second certification for free. They even have an option where you can get a $400 off if you paid in full the cost of the certification. Of course, it's not like I pay and I read and that's it. No, there are assignments, very serious assignments, and you will get qualified by a person, and you will get feedback from a real person. And it's composed between textbooks, videos, and actual assignments that you need to do, not just theory. You do need to practice, and you do need to prove your practice and record your practice to get evaluated. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got in my enrollment kit. And after that, if you have any questions, make sure to let me know. And little by little, I will show you how we are going and how we are doing this, okay? See you then on the other side. So this